we guide you through how to fix Android battery drain with a few simple settings. So the first thing you need to do is to open Settings, Top Battery, and check which apps are using the most power. If you find apps you rarely use, force stop them or uninstall them. Next, reduce your screen brightness or enable adaptive brightness, then switch your display refresh rate to 60 Hz. If your phone supports higher rates, turn on battery saver which your battery gets low, and disable features like Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and mobile hotspot when they are not in use. Go to Settings, then Apps, and restrict background activity for apps that you don't need to run all the time. Also, keep your Android system apps updated since updates often includes battery optimization fixes. If your battery started draining after installing a new app, try removing it and see if the issue improves. And finally, restart your phone to clear temporary background processes.